Hey guys, so as promised, I'm going to show you how to create a letter of interest and an operational plan when applying for these local contracts. So this specific contract is asking for a letter of interest and it's asking for an operational plan. So an operational plan should explain the proposer's exact approach to performing the work. The letter of interest should include references and it should include a narrative describing the proposer's performance under a janitorial services and painting service contract. So what I do when I'm creating my letter of interest or my operational plan, I would copy exactly what they need, go on to ChatGPT and enter it in there. So when I go into ChatGPT, I enter in the message box, I am applying for a janitorial and painting services contract, and they want me to provide a letter of interest. This is what they want. Now you would paste exactly what they asked for in the contract. All right, keep in mind, you guys, they also want us to include references. So I just go to my references and I copy and paste it into the chat box. In the chat box, I would put include these references. So I put in the chat box, include these references, semicolon, and then I go back to my saved references document so I can copy it and paste it into the chat box. I always recommend you guys do things once so you can repeat and recycle. So have a list of references and work performance ready. So when you are reaching out to clients or if you're applying for contracts, you can just copy and paste that. Same goes with your resume. Always have an updated resume ready to copy and paste or upload it to a client that needs it or a contract that you're applying for or anything else. So I go into my saved references here and I'm going to copy that and paste it to ChatGPT so they can create me a letter of interest and enter. And there you have it, guys. I'm writing to express my strong interest in being considered for the janitorial and painting services contract with this housing authority. As the owner of my company, I have extensive experience in providing janitorial and painting services that align with the scope of work required for your housing authority. And you will see they list my references and provide me with a strong letter of interest in less than 30 seconds, guys. All right, let's move on and create an operational plan. So let's write into the chat box. They also want me to create an operational plan. This is what they want, semicolon, and copy and paste exactly what they want. All right, so let's go back to that contract so we can copy and paste it into the ChatGPT chat box. So you can see here the operational plan they want right here. Now we go back to ChatGPT, paste it, and enter. There you have it, guys. There's a detailed introduction, our work approach, planning phase, execution phase, how we're going to go about janitorial services, how we're going to go about painting services, and so on. Your quality assurance phase, staffing and equipment, safety and compliance, the kind of equipment, and your conclusion. So you see here they give you a detailed operational plan in less than 30 seconds, guys. I will keep a link to this chat. It'll be down below so you can read it yourself. If you need, you can copy and paste it yourself or use it as a template to create your own letter of interest and your own operational plan. All right, guys, if you need any help, I do free consultation calls where I help you apply for local government contracts, help with business funding, personal and business credit counseling, step-by-step guides on how to start a business, and you can also reach out to me for virtual assistant services. So if you need extra help as an individual or a business owner, we have virtual assistants from out of the country looking for work to help you guys. All right, guys, good luck. Peace.